It's day 31 of our 35-day Alaskan cruising journey, and we are back in Skagway today. We've been in Skagway 4 times, or this is number 4, and the last day as well. We got kind of a late start this morning. It's a 12-and-a-half-hour day at port. We got here about 7 o'clock this morning, and we don't leave till 7:30 this afternoon. So I've just been laying in bed and playing on my iPad and eating some of that fruit they gave me in the fruit basket for breakfast. But normally when I do this, I have such a nice view outside my window to look at. And let me show you. This has been my view this morning. Let me open up my window here. We are at the port here in Skagway, and just as I mentioned to you last week, the rock slide over here, this is where we are. We're right up here by the rock slide. So, I mean, we're right up at the wall here. Pull back just a little bit. And so when you get off, you have to take this bus right here, and they take you down to the end down there, and then where those people are walking, you can walk down past that way. So this has been, you know, my view this morning. Normally I'm used to seeing the ocean and a little bit more of a view like this over here. But anyway, so still can't complain. But it is an absolutely gorgeous day here in Skagway. It's about 65, 66 degrees, and it feels beautiful. It feels great out here this afternoon. So we're gonna get ready here, and we're gonna head out in just a few minutes. We still have a good part of the day since we don't have to be back till 7:30 this evening. I think we're gonna grab some dinner out here since it's our last day here. This is actually our last Alaskan port, because after this we go to Tracy Arm Fjord, and then we'll have another sea day because we don't go to Ketchikan this week, and then we'll go to Victoria. So really this is our last Alaskan port. So it's kind of sad. So we're gonna try to make the most of it today. We are gonna go for a little walk, go over to the other side of the river here in just a little bit. So I'll take you with me here in just a few minutes. So we made it down through here, and we're just waiting on the shuttle right now to take us down through here so we don't walk past the rock slide. So just outside of the town, we are going down Main Street right now. Kind of looped back around to where we were on the other side of, that's actually where we were last week, where those cruise ships are right now, right? Yeah, because that's where we were last week, where we reported there. So we would have actually had a shorter walk if we reported there this week. But we reported way over there where the rock slide was. So, hey. Oh, there's a little breeze now. It's nice.
Don't jinx it.
Okay, so we're almost to the bridge. Ported right over here by the helicopter pad. You don't have a very far walk at all. It's right here by the helicopter pad. Okay. Is this the trail map?
Appears to be. Let's go see what we can smuggle.
Let's see what we can smuggle. Oh my gosh, look at that. So everything is pointing left unless we want to go to the pet cemetery. I think I'm good. I don't think I want to go to the pet cemetery. What about you?
I don't know. Fun stuff happens there.
I'm
gonna do a heart check.
I think my heart is good. I hope it is anyway.
Find out.
You're right. Oh, I can exercise out here. It's kind of like in Hawaii. This is a nice little open area. Flat, little flat trail that you can walk through. So, he's got a little lookout point right here. Another exercise station. So you can see we're still not that far from the cruise ships. And there's the Luminosa right there in between the trees.
Bear!
Oh. I'm good. I'm okay.
Woman?
I'm okay. I'm all good.
Almost caught your death on film.
Oh, that's fine. I don't think we should go that way.
Why not? It looks safe.
Yeah.
Well, Smuggler's Cove is that way. This is the point.
So this is the point. Well, this is pretty. Be careful climbing down those rocks, all I can say. It is warm out here. So this is what it looks like over here on the other side of all the rocks that we just climbed up and down. All right, so we just went to the point, so now we're right back up this way is Smuggler's Cove. Going up this trail right here. Okay, I'm pretty sure it's up this way, and so we made it, I think, as far as we're gonna make it. It's really hot. We weren't thinking it was gonna be this hot today. It doesn't look that bad to climb up there. It's not as bad as it was climbing on the other side to the point, but it's just, we're dripping with sweat. It's just so hot out here right now. So I think we're gonna head back to where we can go down and start feeling some breeze coming at us again off the water, and head back towards the town now. But super fun hike. Lots to see and hear. Lots of natural beauty. Lots of natural beauty, absolutely. Seeing the little baby rabbit just now. Thank goodness we didn't see any bears.
We're not done yet.
Oh hush, we're not gonna see any bears. Oh, a little squirrel just jumped out at me.
It's hilarious if he landed on you.
Oh no, that wouldn't be hilarious. No. So, all right, we're gonna head down here now. But yeah, I definitely recommend this hike. It's really not a bad hike. It's really not. It's just really hot out here right now, and there's no breeze today. It's not a whole lot of breeze today. Even some of the locals that we were talking to earlier were saying it's really not a whole lot of breeze. So, you know, if it's a good Alaskan day where you've got a good 60-degree weather, 50-degree weather, and some breeze, that'd be a perfect day to go hiking out up through here. This is so much nicer, being back on this bridge right here at the water. We can feel the breeze. It feels amazing. Even though the sun is out and right on top of us, it feels so much better now with the breeze out here. But really, seriously, that's a great hike. And if you come to Skagway, I highly recommend it. There's families walking through here. I recommend wearing a good sturdy pair of shoes because of all the rocks that you have to go up and down on, but people are wearing shorts and pants. It just depends. But it's a great hike. Absolutely, I recommend that hike. All right, so we're gonna walk into town, and really just try to enjoy this last day that we have at an Alaskan port here in Skagway and this gorgeous view. So we went in here and had drinks at the Happy Ending Saloon. It was a cute little saloon, pretty empty and quaint. It's really local. There's really a lot of locals in there, so it was really nice. It's kind of off the stretch here, so it was a little quiet bar area. So I had a Just the Tips mule drink, and he had an Alaskan beer. All right, so we're back out walking around, enjoying this breeze and this beautiful afternoon, and just kind of walking around the town right now. Headed back to the ship now. It's been an absolutely gorgeous afternoon. We actually stopped here for just a minute at the Popcorn Emporium. The smell brought us in. It smelled so good. Walking around there, some of the popcorn in there was just so delicious. So walking back now to the ship, and got a couple hours left before I have to be back. So just gonna go back and sit and relax and just kind of take it easy on the ship for the rest of the afternoon. So having an early dinner and went to the buffet, and I'm sure we'll be getting room service later, so I'm gonna see if the buffet is good this evening. Sometimes it's a hit or miss, it kind of depends. It's a fried chicken and spaghetti dinner night, so let's see how it is. Dinner was good, the fried chicken was good, the spaghetti was good, however it was cold. That seems to be kind of a theme. It would have been good, even better if it wasn't cold, but at least the fried chicken was good. So as you can see, I'm in my robe. We still have a few hours before we are gonna go do anything this evening, and still about maybe another 30-40 minutes before everybody comes back in from the port. So I'm gonna go and relax in the spa for a little bit, and we're gonna be in the casinos tonight and also probably check out Ocean Plaza this evening. So I'm gonna go and relax for a little bit before we get started with all of that this evening. Nope, didn't get called tonight. Tonight they played the Matilda Cash Cow in the casino, and I've only actually been called once to play the Matilda Cash Cow game. That was actually on another ship. I believe it was on the Mardi Gras, and I went to bed early that night, and then I get called. So maybe if I go to sleep, they'll call me here on this ship. So we'll see. We'll try again tomorrow night. Tomorrow is going to be Tracy Armfjord, and I am up early for one tomorrow because I've got a Zoom call tomorrow morning. But I'm going to be up early anyway. We get into Tracy Armfjord pretty early in the morning, and so I'm going to mostly be sitting on my balcony tomorrow, watching the beautiful sights, having some room service breakfast, and I think I've got a chocolate delight coming in the morning as well. So I will see you tomorrow. Got my cup of tea for the night. Bye for now.